The major markets experienced a pullback in all but the emerging markets last week. The Nasdaq saw the greatest loss, which stands in sharp contrast to how the week began. On Tuesday, the tech-heavy index hit a new all-time high at 10,839.93. Despite the new high, the Nasdaq closed lower for the day and continued to trade lower Thursday and Friday after Wednesday's slight recovery. The pullback in the Nasdaq was largely a result of somewhat disappointing earnings reactions in a handful of mega-cap technology stocks. These same holdings are also present in the Dow Jones Average, which also fell, but to a lesser degree. This week we'll see another significant amount of earnings releases, with the peak number of companies reporting the week of August 3rd. Geopolitical news ramped up again last week when the Chinese consulate in Houston was ordered to be closed. This was spurred on by reports that China was attempting to steal research on COVID-19 treatments, along with other intellectual property in the US and abroad. In response, China ordered the closure of a US consulate in Chengdu within 72 hours. While geopolitical and economic tensions have increased in recent weeks, precious metals have also risen. Silver prices rose sharply last week as the GSCI Silver Index added 15.62% last week alone. Gold added 5%, taking the price of the metal above $1,900 an ounce, a record level that even surpassed the highs of 2011. Finally, this week marks the last week of the month, but last week marked the final weekly $600 unemployment stimulus. Congress is currently debating what to do going forward for those still on unemployment, of which there are 16.2 million continuing claims as of last week. Thursday also reported that the initial jobless claims increased by 109,000, as 1,416,000 initial claims were reported for the week ending July 18th.